Okay, guys. Wow, that was fun. Oh, did he get off? No, he didn't. Okay, I thought he did for a second. Oh yeah, over here in ankle deep water, guys. I don't think I'm gonna put what I just got through experiencing in here. But I might put a tiny clip. I don't know. They was just such a wad. Oh, there's one out there. I better quit talking and let's get to fishing, because there was a wad of fish in this water that's barely covers them up. And I know I'm not looking at the fish, I'm looking around. Hey, why you tear my bait up? My brand new bait. Well, guys, that'll give me a chance to dig in there and show you what we're dealing with here. Oh, he would be, oh, maybe he would have been 20, maybe, but we're gonna throw him back anyway. All right, guy, he was a pretty one. Look, he got 2 spots on that side and a bunch of spots over here. But all right, get out of here. But I throwed in the middle of that big wad of fish, hooked on one for a second, and he got off, and then they busted up, and they were everywhere for a while. And I throwed through them and throwed through them, and they just would not bite. And I don't think it has anything to do with me trying a different bait, because this one grabbed it no problem. But we're gonna get a new one. Let me open up the box and show it to you real quick. What is going on behind me? There's all kinds of noise. Maybe that big wad that I went through. I just finally paddled out of them. I said, forget it. If they don't want to play, I don't want to play with them. And I come over here and seen that single guy going down the bank, and he wanted to play. So sometimes you just gotta go find who wants to play. Anyway, this is DOA again. Yeah, they're just making all kinds of noise. But I noticed that they have different numbers. They don't call them by different names, but just go with the 12441 if you want to try these that I'm using today. And we're just going to try them again. I'm going to put a new one on, and I don't think it really matters that much. I'm kind of trying to myth bust to try to say that I don't think it matters all that much. I know Chicken of the Sea works. I know that we've used DOA before that worked. I don't really remember the number now, but it's back in one of my videos. And Morning Glory's been paying off, and I just said, well, I think it'd be fun just to start trying something different each time. Just make it a little more exciting for you guys to watch, to see, hey, maybe you've tried Chicken of the Sea in your area and it doesn't work, so maybe you try something else I'm trying. I don't know, but anyway, they're a little shorter and stubbier. Alright, what was making all that noise is what I want to see. I'm turning back around here. Something was just killing them. Not this direction, but I just seen a V in the water. Alright, what do we got over here? I don't even want to mess with that big group no more. They just, even if they bank back up and get all together in a wad, they did that one time while I was paddling around. They all wadded back up and was swimming with tails out of the water. And look, I think that's it. I think that's what I'm looking at now. Yeah, I think way up there's a whole wall of them. They gang back up, but they've been educated, spooked up, whatever. But I'm glad to see they're moving back up there. The tide is, yep, that's them. I can acting crazy. Maybe they'll settle down. I'll find them after a while again. I think the tide should be about slack right now and fixing to start coming back in. Yep, that's them. It's just, it's an awesome sight to look over there at them. I know y'all guys can't see them that far away. They're about 120 yards away, and they're just, there's the birds working there. I'm just not gonna, I just don't want to go over there again. Huh. But they're in a good spot because this is all, they don't have nowhere they can go up this way, nowhere here. The only way they can get out of this marsh is going back this direction. So let them calm down. I'm gonna work this little pocket and see if I can find another straggler, and maybe by that time they'll settle down. But all right, guys, they're chasing down a big old water bird of reds here. Might be some here, but the biggest wad is right up here. Whoa. I hope that was one that sucked it in and not one that just fouled, because I didn't even feel it move. It got, oh man, not good at all. Well, that was a little bit awesome. Well, they're not the biggest ones up here because they can't be. I mean, look at that. I'm stepping down. It's not even above my shoe, but I could see them swimming there. And he kind of was running away, and he decided, no, it's that close to my face, I'm gonna give it a taste. Well, I don't know if he's a slot or not. If he is, he's barely. But again, on that DOA. He's a little bit bigger. He's a little bigger. All we need is a little bit bigger. We could. Well, he ain't much bigger. He's about 1/8 of an inch. 1/8 of an inch. Over 20. He would definitely be a keeper, but we are not going to keep him. All right, get out of here, guy, if you can go. Look at that. See, that's how they do it. They just swimming in you. Oh, there's one right there. Right there. Yeah, that's not the one I turned loose. They're swimming together though. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That was one there that just swam up on me. They can't hardly hide in this water though. But we might have spooked them. That is just something. That's something. Look at that. I can see them. They're like, where you go? Can't really go nowhere. Okay. Well, this is just kind of fun because they can't really hide, but they don't seem to be big enough to take. They're fun. Well, let's move on. The water might get an inch or so deeper and we might get just a little bit bigger fish somewhere right there. Terrible. Bad everything. Bad throws, bad everything. Looking into the sun. You guys couldn't see it. Man, there is no way in the world I should have missed those fish. I mean, he grabbed it and I guess it was, he just didn't have it deep, but that was a very bad flub up in my D's, or mess up, I don't know. Yeah, we hear you. We know you rude fishes are being rude to me. Alright. What we got in front of us? Where are you at? Okay. Oh, there we go. That's what we're talking about. Wow. Oh, what happened? What happened? What just happened, guys? That is terrible. What happened? He just pulled out of his lip or something. Oh, man. Bad. That is not good. Man, it's still razor sharp. It won't slide on your nail. That's one of them heartbreaking moments right there. Oh my goodness. Easy come, easy go, right? All right, onward. Coming right to us. Okay, now did you get a good hook set is what I want to know. I have not put one in the box yet today, and I have hooked on to, well, we had the two 20-inchers that we throwed back, and a couple of them that I may not put in here that just flat did not hook themselves good. I'm looking straight in front of me and I see some nervous water, and I bet that's a redfish right there and there. We'll see here in a second. Come here, guy. He's pulling hard. I think he's a slot right here. This is amazing. And I don't know if I'm going to put the clip in of me talking about this, so I may talk about it twice in the same video, but this is why I bought this board. I just knew that getting up in this tiny water, I mean, just look, my shoe is not even under the water. It's just awesome. It is just awesome. And that guy's, he's not just a little bit slot. That's a good slot. Come here, feller. I really want you bad. Mainly because I just want to show these guys. Look, I thought that was probably one that was, he was little though. Come here, feller. Come take a look at this board. My new Kayak. board, kayak board. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh, you got her hooked good. You're hooked good, guy. All right, come over here. That is a huge fish for this tiny water, but that was what I was hoping for. No, 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 no. Just get up here. Look at that monster in this water that is, there's no water. But yet 26 and a half, almost 26 and 3/4. Look at you, guy. What is it? I'm gonna let you go too, because I don't want to take you this. I just don't want to take you. You're too pretty. Here. Oh. What are you doing? I'm trying to get a screenshot. That's what I'm doing, guys. Smile for the camera. Yeah, all right. Enough of that. Go back. Go. But Flat could not hide himself if he wanted to. Could not. Think he'll bite again? Surely he won't. Surely he won't bite again. I'm playing. I know he won't. But one of his buddies will. There he went. No, that wasn't him. That wasn't him. That one. He's still sitting there resting. He'll take off when he gets ready, but let me get past him. Guy, you just sit there and rest a minute. Yeah, he spooked off one of them that had that nervous water. Whoa, there's something busted bait there. Where'd you go? Good training right here. Yeah, there he is. Yeah. Oh, but there's one right there. All right. Okay, that's what we can do. All right, while we're watching this guy just kind of mill around, we just hooked on to us another one. I don't think he's much of a fish, but he's good practice. Good practice fish. Well, he's pretty heavy. We need one for the box. We need one 21, 22 inches anyway. Come on, fish. I don't think this is the one though. He's a feisty little rascal, but he's not. I don't think he's 21. Ow, ow, he just ran into my leg. Shame upon y'all. Get over here. Oh, look. Can't hide under the board. Don't you? Alright. Whoa. That was not good. Dropped the old rod out of my hand. Alright, get up here. You're too juvenile for that. Guys, that is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I know he's too little, but I'm measuring him anyway. Well, if I was desperate, I'd take him 20 and a quarter again. What is that? The three of them that's 20 and a quarter? Oh my goodness. All right, guy, go. Go. Well, there we go. DOA. Dead on arrival, I guess is what they were trying to go for. Yeah, this is just awesome, guys. I wish each and every one of you could experience this. I say that so many times, but I mean it. It's just, and maybe y'all are. All right. Don't expect him to be very big. I don't see how he can. But then again, we got that 26.5 or whatever. But this is even a little shallower. Well, guys, there's a couple of guys in a boat. They found my marsh. Oh, I probably found their marsh. Like, this is fairly new to me. They may have been fishing this thing for years, but they're in a regular fishing boat, so they have to stay pretty much to the main body of water. There's no way they can get in this 3 inches of water I'm in. Come here, fella. Yeah. Come on. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. And he is 19 3/4. I knew you wasn't very big, but being as we have company up here, we're not going to be picky. Of course, I'm normally not picky anyway. Alright, tell you what, guys, let me just let y'all go and I'm going to get him unhooked and let him go.